This is Jaslyn from the UG International. Today, let me introduce this laptop, this nail polish gel glue filling machine. This machine is very special and also very manual type. The first, you can see here, this one connects to your prayer tank, and this filling pipe connection with here, filling pipe connection here, and this one is stop nozzle, up and down for this control this filling on and filling off. This one just for clean use. Sometimes you use it for clean and use this one. This is main power. Main power connection with this air power, and from here, this one for clean, and this one for this here for this control this filling valves, and this one control tank. And you can see this RS machine is very easy for clean. When you clean, you just take out this pipe and then take out the nozzle. Take out this nozzle. Just screw loose this here and take out this nozzle for clean. It's very simple. And here is filling on and filling off. This one is main power, electric. Here you can see this second, for example, filling time, 28 seconds right now. You can see it down, more, and less, the time, according to the filling volume. This is a power light. This is count how many pieces total you already filled. So that's it. So let me show you how to production. The first you put on, and then use this full switch. All right. You see? This one you can lose, and then you can remove to your you can connection with other machine, filling machine together. And also you can see here we do some special design. You can see here, we can put here, and also can put here, put different place for this different bottles use. So this is just a small special. So that's it for this RS laptop, this nail polish filling machine. Thanks so much.